While the answer you chose is an important topic and related to worldview, the working definition of worldview that we will use in this course is the way you see and understand reality. It's how you make sense of the reality you experience in the world. A full understanding of worldview can be complex, but our goal is to simplify it for you in small, bite-sized pieces that you can easily chew and digest. The word worldview originated from the German word Weltanschauung, which literally means outlook on the world. In this instance, world is not the physical planet Earth, but the whole of human civilization. So your worldview is literally your interpretation and your interaction with the human condition, its history, its presence, and its future. One major role of your worldview is to help you try to understand what is right or true about the events in life and what actions you or others take in those different situations. Now, from this, there are some general questions you may think about sometimes that have subtle effects on how you live your life. Questions like, what does it mean to be free? What does it mean to be happy? Why do the bad guys always seem to win? Why would anyone enjoy their job? And how about, what is good? Or is there a difference in doing good and being good? If no one was punished for doing wrong, why would anyone ever want to do what is right? Or why do people ever hate each other? Why do we have divorce and families fall apart? What motivates someone to adopt an orphan? How do you handle the hard questions of life? Where do you go for answers? Some questions are more personal, maybe even more difficult to ask, and even more difficult to answer. Like, how do you celebrate victory? What is your vision for the future? How do you grieve the loss of a loved one or make sense of the death of a child? Do you find yourself being judgmental of others? Can you really trust anyone? Can you trust me? And here are some questions about relationships that affect how you see the world. Like, do you avoid blame? Do you avoid conflict? What makes you cry? Is it even okay for you to cry? Do you hide your feelings from other people? What makes you happy and enjoy life? Can you really selfishly love another person? What about loving someone who does not love you in return? Or do you find it difficult to receive love? So, I know that's a lot of questions, but do you ever find thoughts like these running through your head? Some people see value in questions like these, and some see value in avoiding them. But what about you? Are you curious about these things? So as you think about these questions, you may be wondering, where is the hope? The good news is, we're going to help you discover the hope in the midst of questions like these.